Good evening, good morning, good day, good night, YouTube, wherever you may be located in the world, or whatever time it is when you're seeing this video. Joe back here, Final Round Performance, working on my mom and dad Chevelle here. Much as I really didn't want to, I decided to put the floor pans out and replace them completely. We had this area over here you can see on the driver's side, but can't really see on the camera. But when I had it up on its side, there's just pinholes everywhere in it. And man, I probably had to put 50 patches in it to get them all sealed up, welded up. So we're just going to go ahead and replace the whole floor pan. So I've got it out, and this is the rust inhibitor that I always use. It turns purple when it's on rust and starts drying. It's also weld through. And once I get the pan in, I will take and cut it tight, a section at a time, and then butt weld it. So when you dress it, you won't be able to see that a floor pan has been put in at all. And of course it goes here, it goes under that lip, and that gets hammered back down and plug welded. So yeah, that's the update on that. I need to sit down here. I need to take some video from the other shop. Sorry about my hand there. So our buddy Terry Matney has a 70 Chevelle, and we put a 496 in it, built from Kowalski. Look at that. I know it's backwards, but Kowalski Racing Engines. It's just old street Chevelle, and anyway, ended up breaking the planetaries in his 400. So I've been down there, I pulled the transmission out, and when it broke the planetaries, it shoved the drive shaft back, and I think it broke the bearings and 12 bolt on the pinion, so I got to pull the pinion apart. Also working on Fox's EXP with a big block Chevy nitrous glide. Been working on it a bunch down at the main shop. So next time I'm down there, I'll do a quick video on that. My YouTube is definitely not growing as well as I had hoped. Now, obviously I wasn't expecting tens of thousands of views, but I'm getting most of my videos, according to the analytics, is getting 20 or 30 new viewers, but they're not subscribing or anything. So if you're watching this, haven't already, please subscribe. Bree, she's going to start putting videos on the same page. We've got some videos of the Studebaker truck. We were driving it down the old Mexican road there the other day, and daggone, the hood flew up on it. Luckily the windshield was already busted, so just kind of a funny little video. So yeah, I'm still waiting on a windshield and a gas tank for it, and it'll be on the road, tooling around Southwest Virginia here and there. So anyway, again, we got some more videos coming. Please subscribe, help me out here. I really like to try to hit at least 500 subscribers, so I can meet one of the criteria for a legit YouTube channel. It's actually quite a bit of rules you got to hit. 500 subscribers. You got to post 3 videos every 30 days, and then you got to have I think it's 2,000 hours of watched videos. So yeah, 2,000 hours my videos have to be watched, plus 500 subscribers. So if you can help me out, please like, subscribe, share. You know, we've been working on the Chevelle. It's just coming along slowly but surely. Again, do something every day. Unfortunately, I've not been down in my personal garage working on the Chevelle as much as I've been in the main final round performance race shop. Also, I got a trike back half for my neighbor Debbie. Painting it tomorrow or Sunday, depending on weather. So I'll try to get a quick video of that after it's painted. So I had a hard time finding the match to her Harley, but we finally got it today, so it's ready to paint. If it don't rain tomorrow, it's not very windy, I'll try to get some paint on it. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.